Hello everyone, welcome back to Charminliti channel. Today I will guide you on how to draw the Maybelline Curl Mascara and share some of my reviews about this mascara. Okay, let's get started. To begin, let's launch the Adobe Fresco App. Choose square size. Select the image icon and click on Photo to choose a background image. Afterward, proceed to select a reference image. Adjust the size of the image that needed. Open the Layer Properties panel and locate the Layer Opacity settings. Adjust the slider to a value of 50. Create the new layer. Click on Light Brushes and then select the oil option. Next, choose the oil pen brush. Adjust the brush size to your desired scale. Choose the color white to use as the border color. It's time to begin replicating the design based on the reference image. I have been using the Maybelline Curl Mascara for a long time, and I must say it is an excellent mascara for its bright strength. About curling power, the name Curl does not disappoint. This mascara truly helps to curl and lift the lashes beautifully. The mascara was designed specifically to create a cupped effect and maintain the curl throughout the day. My lashes look much longer and more curl after using this product. And next is lengthening ability. The Maybelline Curl Mascara also has impressive lengthening power. The lashes are coated with a deep black color that doesn't clump together. The result is thicker and longer looking lashes, creating a bold and defined eye effect. Safe and gentle ingredients protect and nourish the lashes, preventing lash fallout or breakage due to dryness and lack of nutrients. Inside, there are curl brush designed with a capacity of 6 ml. The curl brush design helps to reach the roots of the lashes, even in hard-to-reach areas like the corners of the eyes. Adjust the sharpness of the reference image in the Layer Opacity section. Move the reference image outside. Navigate to Leaf Brushes, then proceed to select the Oil Pen Detail Brush. Modify the brush size according to your preference. Use the Color Picker tool to select the desired color from the reference image. And about smudge proof, one thing I really love about this mascara is that it doesn't smudge throughout the day. Even when I encounter humid environment or get caught in hot weather, it stays put and doesn't leave mascara marks under my eyes. This gives me confidence when wearing this product. According to the brand description, this mascara offers long-lasting wear for up to 18 hours. The bird bristles are precisely angled and intersect each other in a crisscross pattern, forming a triangular shape. Merge the recently drawn layers together. And then about easy removal. Despite its good waterproof capability, the Maybelline Curl Mascara is easy to remove. I don't have a difficulty using regular makeup remover to remove the mascara without causing any damage to my lashes. The last one is the affordable price. Another advantage of the Maybelline Curl Mascara is the affordable price is about 100,000 Vietnam dong. It's a great option for those who want curl lashes without having to spend a large amount of money. While there are many strengths, this product also has a few minor limitations. Sometimes if I apply too many coats of mascara, it can make the lashes clump together and appear uneven. However, this can be avoided by applying each coat gently and waiting for the mascara to dry completely before applying the next coat. Additionally, the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara has limited color options. Currently, it is only available in the basic black shade, without any choices for other colors. This may be a limitation for those who want to try out different color mascara. Merge the recently drawn layer together. Step 2. Let's guide you on how to draw a beautiful pair of eyes. Continue the same process. We also begin by selecting the reference image. Adjust the size of the image that needed. Open the Layer Properties panel and locate the Layer Opacity settings. Adjust the slider to a value of 50. We also choose white color to create the outline. Adjust the brush size. Let's begin the process of coloring. Apart from using mascara, there are other daily ways to naturally nourish and promote longer lashes. Here are some suggestions. Apply a small amount of lash serum, such as coconut oil, almond oil, or castor oil, to your lashes before bedtime. This oil provides nourishment to the lashes, making them sharp, smooth, and healthy. Maintain a balanced diet and incorporate food rich in nutrients such as protein, vitamin A, C, E, and minerals like selenium and iodine. The nutrient can enhance lash health and promote growth. Refrain from excessive pulling or rubbing of your lashes, as this can cause damage and compromise their natural length. Another way is apply lash conditioning powders before going to bed. This powder contains nourishing ingredients that can stimulate lash growth and keep them soft and supple. Allow your lashes to rest and naturally recover by minimizing the use of mascara and daily makeup, especially those containing harsh chemicals. For drawing eyebrows, use a vector brush tool and select the basic brush type, then choose the taper option for creating taper stroke. Starting from the first brick point, apply gentle pressure and draw short, evenly spaced stroke along the natural direction of the eyebrow. Create random, non-uniform, and non-symmetrical brick lines to achieve a natural effect. There are two more small tips for lash care. Occasionally, gently massage your lashes with your fingertip to promote blood circulation and stimulate lash growth. Use a clean and soft lash brush to comb your lashes daily. This helps keep them separate and stimulate the growth of new lashes. And we have successfully completed. If you also create beautiful drawings, don't forget to share them with me by commenting below. Remember to like and subscribe to the Charminliti channel and stay tuned for the next video.